Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of videos from daily, weekend and weekly food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls, Argos, Boots, Superdrug hauls, and I also do beauty box unboxings. And today's unboxing is a beauty box unboxing. So in front of you, or in front of me, there is a plain round box which arrived today. So on Sunday I received an email from Laces in Beauty for the Style Awards beauty box, and there was a large selection of items that you could choose from on the list. A lot of luxury items and some not as luxury items. So I went on and I picked the 6 products because you was allowed 6, and it came to £25 plus postage, which was £3.95, so it came to £28.95, and it arrived on Thursday, so it took 4 working days to arrive. I did open the box from the bottom, and it was like that inside. I'm a little bit disappointed because normally when you buy any kind of collection from Laces in Beauty it comes in a really nice black box, and this didn't, so I think it cheapens it a little bit. So I will show you the 5 items that I decided on. So the first item is the Charlotte Tilbury Unisex Healthy Glow All Year Hydrating Summer Tint Moisturiser. And it's the full size 40ml. When I was actually looking at the products, I did check to see if they were full size or not. And there were 3 Charlotte Tilbury products, and I would have got all 3, but the other one was the Hollywood Lips lip balm or liquid lipstick, whatever you want to call it, and I wasn't keen on the shade. And the reviews weren't amazing. I think it had an average of 3.2 out of 5. So that's the only reason I didn't buy it. Otherwise I would have got 3 Charlotte Tilbury products. The second item, as you can see, is another Charlotte Tilbury product. And it's the Hollywood Contour Wand. Easy Contour. And it's the light one, I believe. I don't know if it says the shade anywhere. That's what it looks like. This has been on my list of items I want, so obviously I bought it. The next item is the Body Shop Spa of the World Tahitian Terray, is that how you say it? Body Wash Blissful Bath and Shower Oil in Gel. I actually thought this was bigger in my head, so when it arrived I was a little bit shocked. And I also for some reason thought it was in a glass bottle and it's in plastic, so I'm a little bit disappointed in it. I did think it was going to be bigger. The next item is another Body Shop item. It's the Body Shop Japanese Matcha Tea Pollution Clearing Mask. Removes pollution, deeply purifies, protects. I have the Himalayan one, which is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's my all-time favourite face mask. So when I saw this on the list, I thought I'll get this so I can try another one. This was probably one I would have gotten at some point anyway. So I'm really happy to get this and I can't wait to try it. The next item is MAC Lip Intensity Lipstick in the shade Clouds in My Coffee. As you can see, it's a nude shade. Really like it. I can't wait to try it. And the final item is one that I've wanted for a while. It's the Real Techniques Powder Blue collection, and it's the B01 Soft Powder Blush. It is absolutely stunning. Like, I can't get over how beautiful this brush is. So when I saw this was in the list of items, it got added pretty quickly, and it's a very stunning brush. So that is the 6 items that I bought, and I can't wait to try them. I've not tried any of these items before. I do own a Charlotte Tilbury products, I do own the Body Shop products including a similar face mask, I own matte lipsticks, I own Real Technique brushes, but I don't own any of these items, so I'm really excited to get them, and I can't believe I got well over £100 worth of products for £25. It was the bargain of the century, and I couldn't believe it when I saw Charlotte Tilbury products were in the list. I would have got the lipstick if it was a shade I wanted, but unfortunately it wasn't, and the reviews were amazing. But I just got a matte lipstick instead. If you have any questions about any of the items, please leave them down below. But also check out my blog, because in a week or so there'll be a matching blog post with a lot more information on all of the products. My blog is always linked in the description bar, so if you ever want to find out about any of the items I feature on my YouTube channel, then check out my blog, because there's a good chance there will be a review or something about the products on there. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification, and then every time I upload a video you'll be notified of that. And thank you for watching, everyone. I'll be back very soon. Bye everyone.